Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You came back. In this week's video, what I have for you is another marble tutorial. A tutorial on how to do Sharpie marble. It's super fun. It's super easy. Marble Sharpie marble is literally the easiest of the marbles. So if you are interested in how to do an easy marble look, go ahead and stick around and let's get into it. Okay, marble. Here we are. For what you guys don't know is the third time. So marble. This is what I have so far. This is Kiara Sky Smoky Smog SB85 and this is Delicate White. This is my practice swatch, which I really like. I can't seem to get, this is the third time I've done this, you guys. Like, that's why my cuticle's looking a little angry at me. My skin's dry. It's looking a little dingy around. It's gotten Sharpie on it and I've tried to get it off 3 times. This is my third time. This is my third time doing this. So, in order to, we're gonna just leave it with what it is this time. In order to do marble, what you need is a gel top coat. I'm using my triple vitamin, strongest steel, no wipe top coat. You want a no wipe top coat because you want it to be kind of slippy slidey. You don't want it to be like sticky and you don't want to have to rub off the layer of stick because it kind of makes it less like shiny, but most top coats are no wipe. But anyway, you need a lamp, obviously, you need a brush, you need a Sharpie, you need alcohol. You can use any color Sharpie you want. I'm going for black this time, the classic marble look. We are going to do 1 layer of your gel top coat. Fuck, I hope it turns out this time, you guys. I'm like, seriously. Okay. Put on your top coat. Then cook it for 60 seconds in your cooker. That's your lamp, by the way. Okay, so you can do like layered, like this one I did 2 layers. And I think it turned out really good, but this is also like a bigger area, and I think the problem is I've been trying to do layers on my finger, and I kind of want to keep as much of the white as possible with this look, because I think when it starts getting too dark, it kind of takes from the rest of my fingers, I think is what my problem has been the last 2 times that I've tried. So I'm just going to do a little bit of marble. So, you want to get your alcohol, put a little bit in a cap. And then, yeah, you want to kind of just like make lines. Oh my god, I'm nervous. I don't want to fucking do this again. You want them to squiggle. Kind of squiggly little lines. We're gonna call that good. We're gonna see how that goes. Alright. Then you want to take your alcohol, and you don't want too much alcohol, but you do want enough alcohol. You just want to like tap on the line, and then like let the alcohol do its thing. Kind of soaked up some of the alcohol there. Now with marble, you know, you gotta like, you can practice with it, you know, just play around with it until you get it to look how you want it to look. It's one of those things, like no matter what kind of way you do your marble, you don't really have like control of how it turns out. I think that's part of the reason why it's really hard for me. I have a hard time not like having exact control with how it turns out. What do you think? Does that look like marble? Now, what you could do Like you can see how different the swatches look, but I kind of like it with this like less amount. What I did the first time on my swatch, you can see this tiny little line right here. I like kept putting the alcohol on until I basically took off all of the color. Then I drew lines on again, and then I put alcohol on, and I just kind of tapped it, and I let the alcohol like spread out so it makes like this look, but then you can kind of see the veins in there still. So yeah, play around with it. Use different colors, do your kind of marble, and then let me, you know, show me what you did. Yeah, I'm curious. All right, we're back with the picture. Haha, just kidding. I decided that I think it needs a little bit of like this foil. So right now I'm just like ripping it up. I got this on Amazon, this foil. I'll try and link it below. But I just want to put like a couple of like little pieces on there because I just think it'd be like really fun. I don't know how to do this, but I'm just like sticking it on there. See if it'll stick to the, I don't want like big pieces, I just want like little tiny pieces. Yeah, see, broken all up. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll try and zoom in when I edit. It's just kind of sticking to the gel right now, which is great because then I'm gonna like gel top coat it and just like secure it in. Rubbed my finger on it so it like broke them up a little bit more. Maybe I'll put a couple more on there. Gosh, they just like disappear. I'm like trying to break it up and I've never used these before, so you guys are experiencing it with me. So that's always fun. Okay, I think that's good. All right, I'm gonna top coat this and then I will get pictures and I will be back. So what did you guys think of that video? Did you like that video? Do you want to see me? I also know one more way how to do marble, and that is with gel polish. Is that something that you're interested in seeing? Do you guys want to see gel polish? Because I know there was somebody that was like, please, I want to see Sharpie marble. I'm still waiting for Sharpie marble. So if you do want to see gel polish, let me know down in the comments below. Go ahead and like this video if you like this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, because I know that like 60% of you are not subscribed, I don't understand why. What do you need from me? Anyway, that's all I have for you this week, you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye. So, how's it going? How's your mama name? One more time. Welcome back to my channel, yeah. Should I make an intro song? I'm like determined to put myself singing on the internet even though I cannot carry a tune to save my life. I've not put lashes on for the last 2 times I've done this because I was like getting really good at putting on lashes there for a second, and then I drunk did my makeup on the internet, and ever since then I've lost my mojo. Speaking of doing things on the internet, are you guys on Facebook? Is that, do you like Facebook? Is that where you are? Because if you are on Facebook, there are 2 groups that I'm telling you should join. That is Dipshit and Spoilers, which I've told you guys about before. And also, I just made a dip powder group. It's called Do You Even Dip? Dip Powder Tips. And it's really fun. It's a dip powder, well, it's a nails only group. We mostly talk about dip powder. And yeah, it's a super duper helpful group. There's like 1,200 people in that group already, and we are all just some badass bitches talking about dip powder and how to do things and how much we like it, and talking about companies and sales and all kinds of things that are going on. So if you're not there already, then you should probably go and join that group. Yes. It's just allergies. It's just allergies. I'm like allergic to makeup because every time, does this happen to you? Every time I do my makeup, my nose runs. Like every time. And I don't know if it's because like I'm getting mascara close to my eyes or eyeliner or whatever, eyeshadow, whatever I might be doing close to my eyes. I don't know if that's why, or am I allergic, like having allergies to makeup. My nose also runs every time I eat, whether it's like spicy or not spicy. I could be eating an apple with peanut butter on it and my nose runs. So I don't know what that is. But anyway,